Hello everyone. What you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics working here in the shop with me, so relax. We're going to fix it. If your Acura MDX suddenly shows the message Trailer Stability Assist Problem, don't panic. It doesn't mean your trailer is damaged or that your car has gone crazy. What the system is really telling you is, hey, the stability system, or VSA, which also controls trailer assistance, isn't working properly, so I'm disabling this function for safety. Basically, your car is protecting you. The most common cause, according to mechanics, is the 12-volt battery. Even if your car starts and everything seems normal, if the battery is weak or old, the stability modules can receive unstable signals and trigger this message. Many mechanics report that replacing the battery fixes the problem immediately, so this is always the first easy step to check. If the battery is fine, the next suspect is the alternator or electrical sensors. An alternator that doesn't provide stable voltage can confuse the VSA and other assist systems, causing warnings like Trailer Stability Assist Problem, Check ABS, or Hill Start Assist Problem. Checking that the alternator delivers the correct voltage helps rule out electrical issues. Another detail many report is the brake pedal switch. Yes, that small switch that nobody thinks could fail. If it doesn't send the correct signal, the stability system interprets that something is wrong and disables safety functions like trailer assistance. Replacing or adjusting this switch has solved the problem in several MDXs. On top of that, wheel speed sensors, ABS sensors, or corroded connectors can also make the system think there's a problem. If the VSA doesn't receive correct information from each wheel, it assumes the trailer control is failing and triggers the warning. Cleaning or replacing faulty sensors is another solution owners have confirmed works. Finally, some mechanics note that after disconnecting the battery or cleaning sensors, the system may need a reset or recalibration of the ECU or VSA. This allows all modules to sync again and clears the warning messages, including Trailer Stability Assist.